Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great and you're all excited for this session, which is area under curves. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about some of the best questions which has come in the previous year's JEE Mains from this topic. And guys, let me tell you something before we start. It is a very easy topic and a scoring one, so please don't lose marks over here. Okay, I'm going to teach you the tricks of how to solve it, how to tackle it. So listen carefully, take some good notes, and after today's class, you should be confident of getting those 4 marks from this chapter. Okay, hi Harsha, welcome. Guru Swami, yes, yesterday night there was a technical issue, man. I had my class before that get delayed, so that is why I had to reschedule. So don't worry about it, we will do it today. Got it? Hi Sai Nandan, welcome. Achyut, welcome man. I'm doing great. So what about you guys? Are you all excited and are you all ready for today's class? Hello Birendra Kumar, welcome. Yes, everybody, can you guys give me some excitement? How is the Josh, people? Is the Josh high as always? Everybody on fire? Okay, great. So that is what we want. And before we get started, for all the newcomers out here, guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach math at Vedantu for the toppers batch. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras and I passed out as a gold medalist. And now I'm into teaching because that has been my passion for a very long time. And to talk about my background, when I was like you a few years back, I also prepared for KVPY, I prepared for JEE Mains and I cleared all of them and I studied in IIT. Now I'm here to help you achieve that goal which you have in your mind. So in case you guys are interested to know more about me, if you want to ask me your personal doubts, if you want to get closer, then you can follow me on Instagram. I do respond to all the doubts of my students. I try to answer them, help them, and motivate them to reach their fullest potential. So this is the place where you have to message me and I do respond to everybody. Okay, that's awesome. Yes, Achyut, very true. Hello Vignesh Rajashekar, welcome. Shrija, welcome Shrija. So let's move forward. What does this channel have in store for you? So this channel for mathematics, today we are on Wednesday and I'm looking at area under curves. And tonight we have Ellipse previous year's questions. So you can definitely come live tonight at 11 p.m. and I will be discussing Ellipse questions. And on Thursday, that is tomorrow, you have mock test with me. So in case you guys want to take a mock test in mathematics and you want to see where you stand, you can definitely join me tomorrow at 4 o'clock. But guys, that is not all. I have one more thing very important planned for you. What is that? This deserves a separate slide. So I'm going to teach you mathematical reasoning in one shot. So this will be a probably 2-hour session and I will help you to understand what is this chapter, is it easy or is it difficult, and why does this have a very high weightage in your JEE Mains. Every year in JEE Mains you get 1 question from mathematical reasoning. You will get 4 marks if you attend this session and that is my guarantee. I guarantee that. Okay, so I will guarantee you that if you attend this session, you will get those 4 marks from this particular topic. Okay, so that is at 3 o'clock. It's a very odd timing. That's because I don't want to affect my chemistry Wasim Sir session. So Wasim Sir session starts at 5:30. So I don't want to affect that. That's why I'm starting at 3. So I hope you guys will join and learn a lot from it. Okay, so here we go people. Let's get started with this amazing super duper problem solving session on areas. So in case you're new, in case you're seeing me for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe because we will meet again and again and again. I would love to see you guys even beyond your JEE Mains first attempt. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and watch it regularly. So guys, are you all ready? all those who are here, I hope you're all ready to take some notes because we are going to look at something interesting today. Everybody ready? Perfect. So here we go, people. The very first question is right on your screen. All of you try to solve it. All of you. I want everybody to give it a try and let me know what you think is the right answer for this question. Okay, so I will give you probably 1 or 2 minutes to try it out and then I will discuss it along with you guys. I will discuss it with you guys as well. But first, I want your thinking to come out. I want you guys to put some effort into it. Okay, let's see how many of you can crack it. Very good, Sai Nandan. Very good. Gokul, welcome man. Great to see you back again. Shibi Santosh is here. Vignesh Rajashekar, welcome man. Great, that's the spirit. So everybody try to solve it. So first of all, what is given here is an ellipse. I hope you guys know that. And today night 11 p.m. we'll be looking at ellipse questions from previous years. So if you are well prepared, you know that this ellipse has major axis along the y-axis and minor axis along the x-axis. Isn't that right, everybody? Are you all clear with that? So that's how your ellipse looks like. And now what will this be? This will be a set of 4 lines. That will be a set of 4 lines. Don't you all agree? Yup. Okay. Albert Einstein, you have to say that easy questions make up almost 40% of the entire paper, which accounts for almost 120 marks. So if your friend can get only the easy questions correct by studying for the next 1 month or 2 months, in the 3rd attempt, then he can definitely get something out of it. Maybe an NIT with a lower branch. So don't lose heart, you can still crack it. Got it? So let us try to see, guys. Already your friends have started answering. So what are the 4 lines this represents? This can represent plus x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. I hope you guys agree. Then you can also represent x by 2 minus y by 3 equal to 1. It can also represent minus x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. And it can also represent minus x by 2 minus y by 3 is also equal to 1. Are you all cool with that, people? Exactly, Shibi. Shibi, these are the 4 lines that we will have. So if you plot those 4 lines, you see that x-intercept is 2, y-intercept is 3. So that line will be like this. So here you have x-intercept 2, y-intercept minus 3. So that will be like this. Then x-intercept minus 2, y-intercept 3. So that will be like this and like this. So do you all agree it will be a rhombus? Do you all agree it will be a rhombus? So what area we want? We want the area outside the rhombus and inside the ellipse. So we want this area. We want this area. Are you all clear with it? Everybody. So what is that? That is nothing but area of ellipse. Area of ellipse minus area of rhombus. Do you all agree? Do you all agree? It is nothing but area of ellipse minus area of rhombus. So what is the area of ellipse, my friends? Area of ellipse is pi AB minus area of rhombus is half into product of diagonals. So it will be pi into A into B minus half. Product of diagonals will be what? 4 into 6, isn't it? Half into 4 into 6. So that will be your answer. And that, my friends, will be how much? It will be 6 pi minus 12. 6 pi minus 12, I guess. So that will be the way you solve this question. I hope everybody has got it. Everybody is clear with it, people. So do you all agree that the answer for this question will be your option C? Everybody? If anybody has a doubt, feel free to ask me. I will try to help you out. Very interesting question, na? Hello, Shakti. Welcome, man. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I hope you guys are also excited. I'm getting more tense because your exam is just 2 weeks away and I really want you all to do well. So people, please put your best effort and try to work really hard, because what you do in these 2 weeks can really push your score to a fantastic one. Okay, so I'm sure you guys understand that. So put the necessary amount of hard work, and I hope you achieve what you dream or what you target. Okay, so Vignesh, what I did was I first drew the ellipse, Vignesh. So the ellipse is a vertically elongated one, because you see your b square is greater than your a square. That means it will be a vertically elongated ellipse. And then I draw this straight line. So this straight line will be 4 in number totally. Why? Because modulus is there. Because modulus is there. And hence you can open it as plus, or you can open it as minus, the first modulus. Similarly, the second modulus also, you can open it as plus, or you can open it as minus. So there will be 4 combinations: plus plus, plus minus, minus plus, minus minus. So those are the 4 combinations which I have drawn over here. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 lines. Now these 4 lines will form your rhombus, and ellipse is outside. We want the area outside the rhombus and inside the ellipse. So the shaded region here is what I want to find out, Vignesh. I hope you got it, which is nothing but area of ellipse minus area of rhombus. Area of ellipse has the formula pi AB. I hope you know that. Minus, what is area of rhombus? It is half into product of the diagonal lengths. So that's what I did. I hope you guys are all clear. Now I'm going to move forward to the next one. Very good, Vignesh. Hello, Swapnil. Yes, yes, yes. For 99 percentile, you should be around 170, 180. Okay. Hello, Kavya. Welcome. Yes, for this question, no need to use integration. So guys, let's all move forward, and I have a very big surprise for you. I have 2 surprise announcements for you. I hope you're all ready for it. Wait, and I will break that surprise to you somewhere in between. Okay, so here we go, people. The next question right on your screen. Everybody please try to solve it. All of you, every single person has to try, and once you guys are done trying, I will help you out. So you might ask, sir, what did you draw here? So what I have drawn here is basically this mod x plus mod y equal to 1. So that is what I have drawn here. Mod x plus mod y equal to 1 is what I have drawn over here. It is going to be a square. Why, sir? Because mod x plus mod y can open as x plus y less than equal to 1, or it can open as minus x plus y is less than equal to 1, or it can open as x minus y is less than equal to 1, or it can be minus x minus y is less than equal to 1. So they will be the 4 lines, and after that you have 2y square is greater than or equal to mod x. So that means what? If x is positive, 2y square will be greater than or equal to x. If x is negative, you will get 2y square is greater than or equal to minus x. So you will get 2 parabolas like this. This is y square greater than x by 2, and the other side will be what? Y square greater than or equal to minus x by 2. So this will be the way the 2 parabolas are located. Okay, Albert Einstein. This is much easier, na? I hope you understood it. Now, what is the shaded region? You have to find the region inside the square and outside the parabola. Why outside the parabola? Because you see your y is greater than x. So it will be a region outside the parabola. For a particular x, the y value should be greater than this particular x value. So it should be outside the parabola and inside the square. So don't you all agree? This will be your shaded region. Everybody, do you all understand that? So this is the area which you need to find out. Are you all cool with it? Are you guys cool with it? Everybody. Hello, Talapati Giri. Welcome, man. Very good, Vignesh. Pradeep, welcome, man. I hope you're all doing well. Yes, Shibi. Shibi, what I did was, first, Shibi, I have mod x plus mod y less than equal to 1. Na? So how do you open mod x plus mod y less than equal to 1? So like I said before, please listen carefully, Shibi. Your mod x can open as plus x or minus x. And your mod y can open as plus y or minus y. So there are 4 possibilities, Shibi. Plus plus opening, minus plus opening, plus minus opening, and minus minus opening. So these are the 4 line equations you will get from this inequality, and I drew those lines that will form the outline. And what do we want? We want less than equal to 1. So it will represent the area inside the square. Did you get it? It will represent the area inside this square, and after that what do? I draw the second inequality. What is that? 2y square is greater than or equal to mod x. Now mod x can be positive for x positive. So it will be 2y square greater than or equal to x for x positive. So x positive, it will be like this. It is just y square greater than or equal to x by 2, which is your standard parabola. And then if x is negative, it will be minus x. So for x negative region, it will be y square greater than or equal to minus x by 2, which will be everything outside the left side parabola. So the common point of intersection will be the shaded area. I hope you guys got it. Now, how do I find the area of shaded region? That is a real challenge. So first what I'll do is, I'll find the point of intersection. That's very important. So what is the point of intersection of this parabola, which is y square equal to x by 2, and this line, which is x plus y equal to 1. So if I solve both of them, I will get what? Any idea? If I solve both of them, I will get what? So let's do it. So we have x is equal to y square 2. So 2y square plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So I'll have 2y square, then you'll have what? Plus 2y minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So I will get my y to be what? Any idea? I will get my y to be 1 by 2. Let's check it. Let's take 2y common. It will be y plus 1 minus of y plus 1. So it will be 1 by 2. So the y value here is 1 by 2. So that means x is 1. The y value is 1 by 2. X value is 1. So can I say guys, please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. This is important. So I'll take a good color so that you guys can watch it carefully. So I am first going to find out this area. I'm going to find out this area. So can I say it is area of this triangle plus area formed by this portion. Area formed by this portion along the y-axis. So you have a triangle and you have the blue color area, which is area of the parabola, this portion between 0 to 1 with the y-axis. I hope everybody got that. The red color part is a triangle. The blue color part is area of parallelogram with, area of the parabola, a portion of it on the y-axis. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So area of triangle is very easy because we know our y is 1 by 2 and this portion is what? 0, 1. So it will be half into height into base. So height is 1 by 2 and base is also 1 by 2. So the area of triangle is 1 by 8. Now that area I have found out, and I have to find the blue color area. What is the blue color area? The blue color area is nothing but integral from 0 to 1. What is x? X is nothing but 2y square dy. That's it. 2y square dy. So that will be what? 2y cube by 3. And that will be 2 by 3. So that is the area of blue color area. And this is the red color one. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 8 is the area of our overall figure. But now I will multiply by 4. Why I will multiply by 4? Because there are 4 such regions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you all get it? So that will give me the answer. Everybody understands that? So that will be how much? Can you guys get it and tell me the answer? Please do it, everybody. All of you try to complete it and let me know what you guys think is gonna be the answer. All of you got it? Okay, cool. That's perfect, I guess. Good. Everybody has got it, na? Shivansh says A, Albert says C, Shibi says A. Are you all sure about it, guys? Everybody, please try to do it. Please try to do it. Okay, guys, it's half. Why is half? So that's why I was wondering. So it'll be 2 into 1 by 8. So that'll be 1 by 12. Okay. So guys, y goes from 0 to half. From 0 it starts, y goes up to half. So you have to put the limits in terms of y. So 0 to half is what you should put. I hope you guys have got it. So when I do that, I'll get this as the answer. Now I think you can complete it. Now I think you guys can complete it and check whether you are getting the answer. So if you do it, what will you get? 4 into, you will get into 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 36. So 1 by 4. Why am I getting a weird value? Can you guys get the answer? Check whether if I have made some error. Oh guys, it's 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. Okay, it's 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. So it will be 4 into 20 divided by 96. And that, my friends, will be 5 by 6. So A is the right answer. I hope you're all clear with it. Yup. Everybody got it? Yes, Yashwant, I will do that. Yashwant, definitely. Today at 11 p.m. at night, we are going to do Ellipse. So please try to be a part of those sessions. Guys, did you all understand it? We have spent a solid 10 minutes over here because I wanted to explain each and every step. I hope you guys have understood it. If you have any problem, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, we will move forward. Got it? So it is a fantastic question, and in exam you're supposed to solve it in 3 minutes. And guys, it is doable. It is doable in 3 minutes because here I explained every step to you. I will not do like that. When I'm doing an exam, I will do it much faster. Yes. Very good, Pramesh. That is a fantastic score. Keep it up, and that should give you a huge confidence boost. Take it up and try to do well in your JEE Mains. Okay? Hello, Tornado. Welcome. No problem. We just solved 2 questions until now. I'm going to move forward to the third one. I hope you guys are all ready. So shall I move forward, guys? Everybody ready for it? Yup. Can you explain the triangle height? How I got 1 by 2? Yes. So this whole height is 1. Isn't that right, Vignesh? Because this line is what? This line is x plus y equal to 1. So when x is 0, y-intercept is 1. So the entire height is 1. And till here, it is half. So the height of triangle will be 1 minus half, which is half. I hope you got it. So now how is this height half? This height is half because I solved the parabola and the line. They intersect at 1, 1 by 2. So the y coordinate of the point of intersection is half. So that is why this height is half. I hope you guys have got it. It is important for JEE Advanced Albert Einstein, not for mains. For mains, what we are doing here is good enough. Okay, very good. So here we go, people, to the next question. But before that, a lot of you are waiting for the surprise which I was talking about. So many of you will be like, sir, we know about the crash course. What are you saying? Sir, we know the price. We know what is there in the crash course. Is there anything new you want to say? Yes, I have a news for you. For those who are still contemplating whether to join the crash course or not. So guys, like I said, Vedantu's crash course is supposed to be one of the best in the country because we have produced toppers in just 2 months. In just 2 months, we have increased ranks from 10,000 to top 500. And that has happened, and I can tell you the person along with his roll number. I'm sure you guys will be really blown away by the stories that students have in Vedantu. Okay, and that can happen to you as well. So what is the perk of joining this crash course? So the perk is you will be able to complete the entire syllabus in just 45 sessions, and you will be taught by the most experienced teachers of Vedantu. So we have teachers who have more than 15-20 years of experience, and they are going to help you with your JEE Mains preparation. They will tell you what topics are important. They will teach you tricks and smart way to calculate, smart way to reach your answer. So all that is going to be very helpful in the last few days. You have unlimited doubt solving with our doubt app. So Vedantu gives you access to doubts app. So if you guys are solving and if you get stuck at any point, then you can just take a photo of your doubts, send it to them. The doubts app team will solve it for you from 8 o'clock in the morning till 11 o'clock at night. Are previous year's questions a good source of practice? Yes, absolutely right. Manisha, NTA mock test, the problem is some mock tests are very easy, some mock tests are very difficult, Manisha. So that is why I would suggest you to check out the test series offered over here, because we have 15 full tests and 5-part test exactly according to JEE Mains pattern. Exactly according to the latest pattern of JEE Mains. NTA Abhyas is good, Manisha, but the only problem is some tests are very easy, some tests are extremely difficult. You can check it out because we teachers solve it, right? Every year we solve it and we know what is the trend of NTA mock tests. So that is my suggestion to you. Now, what is the surprise? The surprise is the price has dropped. It was 8,000, but guys, now it is even more reduced. It is available for 7,000 math, physics, chemistry, assignment, chapter notes, test series for the next 4 months, February, March, April, May, along with doubt solving. These many features are provided to you at a price of just 7,000. I would say it is a very good deal. So please go for it in case you are preparing for JEE Mains. So this batch started at 8th February. So you just missed 2 days of class, which we will give you as a recording. So all the classes are live, but in case you guys are joining today, the 2 days class which you missed will be provided to you. Is that all right, people? So 7,000 is the price, and to use this price and buy the course, you need to use my coupon code. And guys, like I always say, for all those who are joining using my coupon code, you can message me on Instagram and I will personally help you with advices until your May. Until your May, I will personally take care of you if you are joining by using my coupon code. Okay, that is the assurance I am giving you, because till now, every student who has joined crash course through me has had a fantastic experience, and all of them are having a great time. And I want you also to have a great time, my dear students. Everybody should have a fantastic time. You should be given access to good knowledge, and then we should compete so that we can bring out the best engineers from this country. Okay. So please do that, and in case you have doubts, you can message me over here. So Anish, you will be given assignments for every session. Each assignment will have around 15 to 20 questions, and after every session you will be given that. So per day you will have 2 sessions, one math, one physics, or one chemistry, one physics, like that. And you will be provided assignments along with the chapter notes. So summary notes, right? Right now you may not be able to take notes of every chapter. So we do that for you. We will provide it, and you can just download it in the Vedantu's app or Vedantu's website. Clear? Hello Harsh Nema, welcome. Yes, Sayak, the crash course is for 4 months. See, teaching will happen for 45 sessions, which is until your March end. But after that, you will be given you will be given test series, doubt solving, everything will be accessible until your May last attempt. Okay, so it is for 4 months. Guys, this price is crazy deal, because I know when I was a student, the crash course price was 50,000. And even now, if you go for an offline institute or if you go for somewhere nearby your house, you can inquire. If it is a good institute, they will charge you around 50,000. But online has made it so accessible to everybody. This price is a steal, and I want everybody to think about it. And guys, the best part is, if you join using my coupon code, just send me a screenshot and this is my ID, guys. Okay, I am the one who's behind this. So I will personally help you throughout your JEE preparation till May. That's my personal guarantee. Okay, so with that, let's look at the second surprise I have for you. The second surprise that I have for you guys is right over here. There is something coming up for all the JEE advanced aspirants. And under whose guidance? Under the Guru himself. So we have Anand Prakash Sir, who is going to come and guide you guys for JEE Advanced 2021. So please stay tuned, and it's going to come very, very soon, because your JEE Advanced is right after your JEE Mains. Okay, so in case you guys are ready and waiting for your advance, this is going to be a huge blessing in your life. Okay, so I'm sure everybody has one aim, one bow, one Guru Mantra, and one goal, which is your advance. So for you guys, this might be a great thing. Wait for it. Okay, great. So let's move forward, people, to the next question. Is that a course? That is a surprise, Rishi. You have to wait for it. We will let you know in a short while. When to start class 12th for JEE 2022? Ritesh, I will start it after the first attempt. After the first JEE Mains attempt is over, I will help you guys out. Okay, pakka. Now everybody focus on this. Try to solve this question and let's discuss it, guys. Come on. All of you try it out. Let's do this, students. All of you try to do it. Hello, Shabana. Welcome, Shabana. So nice to see you. And guys, the crash course link I have given you in the description. Right now the price is 7,000. It is not 8,000. So there is a 1,000 rupees offer going on. It might be removed tomorrow itself. It might be removed tomorrow itself. So if you are looking for a crash course, grab this today itself. So I will be guiding you like I guided some of my students to top rank in IIT. All India rank 38 and All India rank 41 were personally mentored by me over the last 1.5 years. And I'm sure I can do that for you as well. But make sure you guys are joining the crash course and messaging me on Instagram. Only then I will be able to personally help you, because otherwise there will be a lot of messages. Got it? Great, Girish. Girish, once you purchase it, just let me know in Instagram. I will help you out personally, Girish. Okay. Harsha, let's check it, Harsha. Albert Einstein. Yes, let's check it. All of you are saying, sir, it is option A. And guys, isn't it a Laddu question? Isn't it a Laddu question? Look at it now. It came in JEE 2020. So JEE Mains does not have all difficult questions. Sometimes it has Laddu ones, which you have to think and you have to grab it. So that is what I said. Whenever you are given the question paper, what you need to do first is exactly just look at the easy questions, pick them up, solve them first, get those marks, get those minimum marks, and then go for it. Okay? Okay, Girish. That's awesome, man. Very good, Harsh Nema. So let's try to solve it. What do we have here? We have a upward opening parabola, which is y equal to x square minus 1. And we have a downward opening parabola, which is y equal to 1 minus x square. So both of them will meet at which point? Let's solve both of them. Where will they meet? Let's equate the right hand side. So x square minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x square. So I'll get 2x square is equal to 2. I'll get x square equal to 1. I'll get x equal to plus or minus 1. So where are they meeting? They are meeting at minus 1 comma 0 and they are meeting at plus 1 comma 0. Do you all understand that? Because when x is 1, y is 0. Did you all get that? Everybody? Everybody. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Superb. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to solve and find out this area. So which is what we want. So guys, it's actually pretty simple. So it is going to be nothing other than integral 1 minus x square from 0 to 1 4 times. That's it. Because what I did here is I took this area and I multiplied it by 4 times because it's a symmetric diagram, right? So I am just taking the green color area. I am just taking the green color area and I am multiplying it by 4 times. Yes, Girish, absolutely. I am from Chennai, man. So how will you solve it? So it's going to be 4 into x minus x cubed by 3 from 0 to 1. So what will that be, guys? That will be 1 minus 1 by 3. So it will be 4 into 2 by 3. And that's my answer, which is 8 by 3. Did you all get it? Okay, very good, Girish. You are also from same place. That's awesome. Okay, people, if everybody has got it, let's move forward. This was a laddu question and I gave this question so that you guys understand that there are some questions which are very easily gettable, very easily solvable in your JEE Mains, so don't leave it out. Okay? Great, Vignesh. Shakti, you can message me anytime, man. I've been already talking to you, so no problem. Okay, don't worry about crash course. But guys, for those who are preparing and who want to give your best in the last days, guys, take it as a sincere suggestion from my side. Check out the crash course. Okay, for that price, getting that quality of teaching is incredible. Okay, so check it out. Nishant, you can message me in Instagram, Nishant. I will try to help you out. Okay, so this is a solution. As always, you know, in my sessions, I always give my solution as a PDF format. Then you guys can go and check it out maybe once the class is over. So once the class is over, you can check the description of the video and you will find the session PDF which will have the solutions in case you want to revise. Okay, now moving forward to the next question. Let's see how many of you can crack this. Come on guys, all of you. Everybody try to solve it. I want you to find the area of the region bounded by the parabola and these lines. And this was a JEE 2019 question. This is a JEE 2019 question. So Gurunathan, where do you stay? Are you from Chennai? Any teacher from IIT Kanpur? I'm not too sure, man. I think that should be. There are lots of teachers from IIT. Almost 60-70 teachers are from IITs. All the 4 founders are from IITs. I am from IIT. Arvind Kalia sir is from IIT. Amit sir is from IIT. Akash sir is from IIT. So you have so many people, man. Shubhang sir, Vikas sir. So you have lots of people from IITs. Like even Pahul sir is from IIT. So Vedantu has that very strong point. A lot of teachers are from IITs, NITs and BITS Pilanis. So they can help you with the process. They can even share their own experience. Anu has solved it. Very good, Anu. Let's check it. KV Santosh, welcome, man. So nice to see you here. So people, what do we have out here? We have a parabola which is x square plus 2. So x square plus 2 will be like this. Okay. And then you have y equal to x plus 1. So at 0, this will be 1. That will be 2. So this will be 1. And then you have x equal to 3 and x equal to 0. So this is x equal to 0, your y-axis. and x equal to 3 will be over here. Okay, and then you have x plus 1 line. So x plus 1 line will, at 3 it will go to 4. So this is how the line will be. So they want the area bounded. So don't you guys agree this is the area bounded? Everybody? So it is nothing but integral from 0 to 3 upper function minus lower function. Always remember, this is how you find out the area. It is always upper function minus lower function. What is upper function? X square plus 1 minus x square plus 2, right? Minus lower function, which is x plus 1. So that's what you have to integrate. I hope you guys can do that. So it will be x square minus x plus 1, and you have to integrate it from 0 to 3. So it will be x cubed by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x from 0 to 3. So if I put 3 here, what will I get? I will get 9 minus 9 by 2 plus 3. So it will be 12 minus 9 by 2, which will be 15 by 2. And Anu, you are absolutely right, Anu. Very good job. You answered very fast. That's absolutely correct. Good job. Okay. Perfect. Awesome, Yashwant. I'm glad you're enjoying Paul Sir's lectures. Thank you, Shakti. That means a lot, man. Very good, Harsh. Very good, Girish. Definitely, Girish. Why not? We will see. Tornado, the channel is not accessible by writing the name, man. Only the link you have to follow. I don't know the why. I don't know why the link is not working. I don't know why. Because when I try, it works. Okay, so don't worry about it. You can get the session PDF in the link provided in the description. So here we go, people. One more question based on a similar type. Please try to solve it, and I really want everybody to get it right. Why? Because this is a JEE 2020 question. This is a JEE 2020 question, very recent year, and you guys can crack it with what I've shown you so far. With what I've shown you so far, you should be able to crack it. Please do it. Please do it. Brahmanagar, you mean the crash course? The crash course fees is 7,000. It is just 7,000 for 4 months. February, March, April, May. For all the subjects, for test series, everything put together, it is just 7,000 if you use my coupon code. What are you doing? Saravanan. Saravanan is saying D, C, all options you have covered, man. Chandra says C. And you know what? Shabana and Harsha are correct. Shabana and Harsha, you guys are absolutely right. Very good, Harsha. Very good, Vignesh. Very good, Anu. Anu also has got it. Brilliant, Anu. So you have what? You have y greater than or equal to 4x square. So what is that? First you draw y equal to 4x square. Y equal to 4x square will be a parabola. And it should be greater than 4x square. So it will be inside the parabola. And then what do you have? Y is less than or equal to 8x plus 12. So you will get 8x minus y plus 12 is greater than or equal to 0. 8x minus y plus 12 is greater than or equal to 0. So if I draw the intercepts, what will I get? The y-intercept will be 12. Y-intercept will be 12. And what will be the x-intercept? The x-intercept is going to be minus 1.5. So it will be like this. So this is how the graph will be. And we want to find out the area of the region. Everybody clear? Area of the region bounded by these two. So the area of region bounded by these two will be what? It will be this area. So first you need to find out the points of intersection. How do you find out points of intersection? In place of y, you will put 4x square. So you'll get 8x minus 4x square plus 12 is equal to 0. So if I solve it, what will I get? I'll get x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 comma 2. So this will be minus 1 and this will be 2. So it will be integral minus 1 to 2 above function. What is above function? Above function is 8x plus 12 minus below function. What is below function? Below function is 4x square. And that, my friends, will give you the answer. Can you all please try it out? Can you all please try it out and tell me what is the answer? So, Brahmanagar, you should at least attempt, out of 75 questions, you should attempt 50. And if you are attempting 50, then at least 40 should be right, so as to get a good score. Okay. If you are attempting only right answers, then even 40 is good enough. If you are attempting only correct questions, then 40 is enough. But if you guys are attempting, okay, minus 1,3 is it? Okay. Yeah. You guys are right. I was just checking. Okay, very good. You have caught me. Math may, out of 25, if you attempt 15, it is good. Out of 25, if you attempt 15, it is a good score. About 20 is a great score. Okay? About 20 is a great score. Yes, Sakshi. Enna pandrathu tornado. Okay, so let's move forward to the next one. So we have one more question like Girish had requested. So this is a fantastic question, a slightly difficult one, but it was asked in JEE 2017. Again, a recent year question. Everybody try to do it, and once you guys are done, I will help you out with it. Okay? Yes, Girish, this is one more question in this topic. Please try to solve it. Jagadish, so if you have not applied for February, then you can apply for March. Don't worry about it. But take this time to study, get better, increase your level, Jagadish. Okay. Most important units, Brahmanagar. I told you, the important topics are straight lines, trigonometry, sequence and series, quadratic, matrices and determinants, statistics, mathematical reasoning. These 7 chapters will itself give you 40 marks. So, like that, you need to figure out what are the easy and scoreable topics and you have to attack them. Okay. Yes, Arnav, I do remember you. Shabana has solved it. Yes, Gokul, I do speak Tamil, man. I am from Chennai, right? I stay in Chennai. I am in Chennai right now. Yup. Yes, Ravi Kumar. Ravi Kumar, you can always apply whenever you want to write. Okay, after every attempt, the application process will reopen. So if you want to write, you can apply again. Got it? Can you speak in Telugu? I know a little bit of Telugu, man. When I was studying in IIT Madras, a lot of my friends were from Andhra and Kerala. So I do speak a little bit of Telugu, but not fully, not fluent. Great. So let's try to solve it. Everybody. So this is a very good question, guys. It's not that simple. So first of all, x plus y equal to 3 is what? X plus y equal to 3 will be like this. This is 0, 3 and this is 3, 0. And then what do you have? You have x greater than or equal to 0. That means right side of y-axis. Then you have x square less than or equal to 4y. So it's a parabola. So x square equal less than or equal to 4y means it is going to be this region. And y is less than or equal to 1 plus root x. So let's say this is 1. 1 plus root x will be like this. So y should be lesser than that. So I think the overall area will come out to be like this. Is that right? So I need to find out the point of intersection over here. That is important. So that will be what? Intersection of 1 plus root x and x plus y equal to 3. So 1 plus root x equal to y and x plus y equal to 3. I need to solve. So can you guys tell me what it will be? It will be x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Yeah. So it will be 1, 2. Because it will be a nice point, right? It is 1, 2. Now you guys can solve it very easily. So it is nothing but 0 to 1 upper function, which is 1 plus root x, minus lower function, which is x square by 4. That is this area, the green color one. I will write it. Green color area is what I wrote. Green color area is what I wrote here. Now let me take another color, let's say blue color. So this blue color area, how will I write? Let me show you how to write that. This blue color area can be written like this. Integral 1 to 3 above function, which is 3 minus x, minus below function, which is x square by 4. That's it. Finish it off. Finish it off and let me know, my dear students. Please try to finish it off and let me know. Aditya, ellipse session is at 11 p.m. tonight. Tonight 11 p.m. we'll have. Tonight 11 p.m. we'll have the ellipse session, so try to be a part of it. Should I do these topics? Arnav, this is a 12th standard topic, so don't worry about it. It should come from 1 to 3. That's what I've written, na? That's what I've written, na? Because Harsha, because from here to here the function is changing, na? The top function is changing. Look at it. Whenever there's a change of behavior, you need to break the integral. No, Harsha, it is 1 to 3 only, man. Because this point is 1, na? So 0 to 1 it is one integral. And 1 to 3 it is another integral. Okay. Not 1 to 3. Yeah. I understood. 1 to this point. The point where x plus y equal to 3 and your x square equal to 4y will meet. Okay. Yeah, you're right. So it will be x square plus 4x equal to 12. So I think x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So you can solve it and get the value. Is that right? Is it 2? Okay, it's 2. So it will be from 1 to 2. It will be from 1 to 2. Yes, you guys are right. Absolutely. Perfect. Can I get a good score if I don't do math? Okay, Jagadish, math is of course important, man. You have to cover that also. Okay. Girish, yes, Girish, what was your doubt? Explain briefly. Yes, Girish. I will talk to you slowly. Please listen carefully. So Girish, what I did was, first I drew the figure, Girish. So let me show you over here. So this is how the figure will look like. Okay. So you have a parabola which is x square equal to 4y. X square equal to 4y. Then you have a straight line which is x plus y equal to 3. Which is x plus y equal to 3. So this is the straight line. This is the parabola. And now this is also a parabola, but it will be half of a parabola starting from 1. So that is the third equation. So then we need to find the area between x equal to 0 and the area enclosed between these curves. Okay, so these are the region area which I need to find out. So how do I do it? So first of all, Girish, at this point the function behavior is changing. So from 0 to 1, this is the upper function and this is the lower function. So I will integrate it separately. From 0 to 1, what is the upper function? The upper function is 1 plus root x minus the lower function is the parabola, which is x square by 4. So that is how you integrate it to find the green color area. Let's say the green color area. Got it? So that's what we do, Girish. Now to find the blue color area, let's say I want to find this. How do I find the blue color? Because you have to understand, Girish, the top function is changing. The top function is what? The top function is going to be x plus y equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 minus x. That's the top function minus the bottom function. Bottom function is going to be still the same, which is x square by 4. But the limits of the integral will be from 1. So I am starting from 1, right? 1 to this point of intersection. Because beyond that, nothing is there. So from 1 to 2, I have to integrate. Did you get it, Girish? How can we draw a figure? Girish, you should know the graph, man. Parabola, straight line, all these you should know, na? Thank you, Arnav. No problem, man. All the best, do well and keep improving. Okay. So guys, I hope all of you are clear with it. Do you have any doubts here? Like I said, Girish, the diagram to draw it, you should know it, man. These are all shapes which are very important, very commonly used also. So for example, root x graph you should know, parabola graph you should know, straight line how to plot you should know, because they're all in portion, right? They're all in portion. So the right answer was option D, 5/2. I hope you guys got it. And guys, with that, we will try to solve this particular question over here. I want everybody to give it a try. And once you guys are done, we will move forward. Okay. So this will be the last question for the day. I want everybody to try it out. And again, Girish, you should know the graph of it. This is very important. So I will help you with it. The 2 power x graph will look like this. This is the graph of 2 power x. It won't come behind. It will go up. Okay, like that. And then what is mod of x plus 1? So at -1, it will be 0. And after that, it will be like this. At 0, what is the value of this? At 0, the value of this is 1. And that is also 1. So they meet at 0. And it will be like this. Is that clear? So the area will be area between them over here. Are you all cool with it? So basically, I need to integrate it from what? I need to integrate it from 0 all the way up to this point. So let's call it alpha. So the answer is 0 to alpha. The above function, what is above function? X plus 1 minus the below function, which is 2 power x. That's it. Over, as simple as that. Now, how do you get the alpha value? Where else they will meet? They will meet at 1, 1, na? As simple as that. So alpha will be 1. So that's it. It's going to be x square by 2 plus x minus 2 power x by ln 2 from 0 to 1. So if I do that, I'll get 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by ln 2 and then minus of 0, 0 plus 2 power 0 by ln 2. So that's your answer. I hope you guys got it. So it will be 3 by 2 minus 1 by ln 2. So that's your answer. Did we get it? Everybody. So it is going to be option D, right? I think it is option D. I hope everybody has understood it. All good? So Gokul, you mean the second curve over here? The mod x plus 1? Is that what you mean, Gokul? Is that what you mean, Gokul? Please let me know. If that is what you want me to repeat, I will do it right now. Please listen carefully. Okay, so Gokul wants me to explain how do I plot y equal to mod x plus 1. So Gokul, how does modulus work? Mod x plus 1 will be x plus 1 if x plus 1 is positive. And it will be minus of x plus 1 if x plus 1 is negative. So that is how you draw it, na? So for x less than minus 1, it will be minus of x plus 1. For x greater than plus 1, it will be x plus 1. So these are just straight lines. This is the graph of x plus 1. This is the graph of minus x minus 1. So that's exactly what I did. Are you clear with it? So that is how modulus graph will work. I hope you guys are clear. And with that, we will conclude our session. I'm sure you guys have learnt a great deal of information. So try to solve the homework questions, guys. I've given you a few homework. I think almost 6 homework questions. They're all very good questions which can help you to gather some more knowledge, and I've given the answer keys as well. I've given the answer keys so that you don't have to wait for me. You don't have to wait for me to reply. Okay. Thank you, Shabana. I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed it. In case you want maximum help like this in the last few days that are left out for your JEE preparation, check out the crash course, because this crash course is for 4 months. February, March, April, May, and it is at a price of 7,000. if you use my coupon code over here. This is my coupon code SJCC. If you use that, you will get the crash course for a price of 7,000 rupees. That's it. Isn't that amazing? So if you guys are interested, grab it right now, because this is a one-day offer. One-day offer. Tomorrow it will not be 7,000. Tomorrow it might be 8,000 again. So guys, grab it while it lasts, because the last batch started 2 days back. Last batch started 2 days back. Okay. So this is the Telegram group. You guys can join us over here in case you want to stay updated with all the news. And definitely don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to this channel and if you want to see me again, don't forget to subscribe. It is very important. Hyperbola will be after Ellipse. Ellipse is at 11 PM tonight, Holy Bible. So after I complete Ellipse, I will do Hyperbola also. Okay. I will let you know the schedule. Please wait for it. Yes, Barney, I am almost done with the session. Yes, Tornado. The session PDF will be attached, but give it some time. You have to wait for an hour because the person has to upload it. Okay, but it will be done. Every video you see, the PDF will be attached in the description. You read the description carefully. How to overcome stammering, stuttering. I think elders say that you have to drink water with honey. And try to think a bit slow and consciously reduce your speed of talking. Okay, that's what usually helps Achyut. Okay, stammering na thicker. Okay, so try to drink hot water with honey and maybe try to consciously control your speed of talking. Okay, and don't worry about it, man. It's okay. You can first focus on studying right now. Do your exam well. And in your college, you can work on your personality. Okay. So guys, take care. All the very best, dear students. And like I said, if you join the crash course, I will personally help you. Just message me in Instagram. I will guide you for 4 months. That's my promise to all of you. Okay. So with that, we will stop. We will conclude and we will see you in the next one. Okay guys, take care. All the very best. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.